Hello children, myself Shubhai Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue 10.3 exercise from the chapter 10 quadratic equations. Third main heading is find the roots of the following equations. In that first equation they gave like this: x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0. So now we have simplified. Find the roots of quadratic equation means if you observe this, no number here in the denominator means it is understood one is there. Take LCM for these two, x is the LCM, then x into x is x square minus 1, this is equal to 3. No number in the denominator means it is understood 1 is there. Cross multiplication you do it. So if we do it cross multiplication like this way, x square minus 1 is equal to 3 into x is 3x. Then arrange according to standard form of quadratic equation children. X square, then I take it 3x this side, it becomes minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you can use formula method also you can use it. What is the value of, we will compare the standard form of quadratic equation. A value is 1, B value is minus 3, C value is minus 1. Then write the formula. You can use it any one of the method. They are not mentioned which method you have to use it. So I am using formula method now. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. So then you substitute the values in the place of b. You substitute b value as minus 3, minus of minus 3, plus or minus square root of b square is minus 3 square, minus 4, a value is 1, c value is minus 1, then divided by 2 into a value is 1, x is equal to minus into minus plus 3, plus or minus square root of 9 minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Then divided by 2. Then x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 4 is 13 by 2. These are the two roots. So therefore, roots of this quadratic equation is 3 plus root 13 divided by 2 are x is equal to 3 minus root 13 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. In this way, we have to find out the roots for the quadratic equation. We have to reduce to standard form of quadratic equation here children. Directly it is not in the form of quadratic equation. So we will reduce to standard form of quadratic equation. Then we can solve it by factorization method, or we can solve by using formula. Which one you want you can use it, but they are not mentioned which method you have to use it to solve. But I have used here formula method. Okay children, write down. Children, in this second question is in this pattern, that is 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 7, this is equal to 11 by 30, where x is not equal to minus 4 or 7. So now find the roots of this quadratic equation. When you observe this question, you will come to know these two binomials have to take LCM. So the product of these two is nothing but LCM. X plus 4 into x minus 7. Then it will get cancelled. Here it comes x minus 7. Minus of x minus 7 it will get cancelled. X plus 4 it comes. X plus 4 ones are x plus 4. This is equal to 11 by 30. So simplify the numerator. X minus 7 minus into plus minus x minus into plus minus 4 divided by, you have to multiply these two, then that is x into x is x square minus 7x plus into plus plus 4 into x is 4x plus into minus minus 7 4s are 28. So now cross multiplication you do it after simplification, plus x minus x it cancel, minus minus, so minus 11 children, then this is divided by x square minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. I can divide, see both if it comes here 11 8 cancel, I can do it here also I can cancel, or by taking this side also I can cancel. So otherwise I am going to do cross multiplication method. So now, so if I take it, if I multiply these two, here 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 11 into 13. So if I divide both the side by 11, 11 it will get cancelled. Okay, I can divide by 11 both the side because both the side 11 is there. So x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus n is there here. Minus into plus minus 30. So you take it this side minus 30, it becomes x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30, this is equal to 0. After simplification, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now I have reduced the given question in the form of standard form of quadratic equation. It is according to standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value here 1, b value minus 3, c value plus 2. So I can use formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. I am using formula method to simplify this, to find the roots. Okay. Now I am going to substitute. X is equal to minus b means minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square means that is minus 3 whole square minus 4ac. 4a value is 1, c value is 2. So divided by 2 into a value is 1. So I substituted in quadratic formula the values of a, b, c. Simplify now. X is equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus square root of 9, 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. So x is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 is 1. Square root of 1 value is 1 only children. Square root of 1 is 1 only. So x is equal to 3 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, the roots of this quadratic equations are x is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 2 or x is equal to 2 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So I got the roots of this quadratic equation are x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 children. Write down. So in this manner you have to simplify the given question in standard form of quadratic equation. Then you have to solve it by using formula method or factorization method. Okay children, write down. Children, 4th May in this 10.3 exercise. So I am going to read the statement first. The sum of the reciprocals of Raymond's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So they told for us to find out his present age. So we don't know what is his percentage. Let his present age be. Rahman's present age be. Let Rahman's present age be X years. Okay. Then they gave the reciprocals of 3 years ago. 3 years ago is age. It will be how much? X minus 3 years. Okay. So reciprocal of this is 1 divided by x minus 3 years. Okay. Then, and 5 years from now, 5 years from now is age will be x plus 5 years. Reciprocal of this, it will be 1 divided by x plus 5 years. Okay. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So I will add 1 by x minus 3. The sum of reciprocals of 3 years ago and 5 years from now is equal to 1 by 3. Then the method is same. After converting the statement to equation form, so you have to take the LCM for these two. That is x minus 3 into x plus 5. This is equal to x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So then simplify now. Here it is simplify. 2x, x plus x is 2x, 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 2 divided by multiply those two, x square, you have to multiply these two, by one term you have to multiply one term, 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Then you simplify this, 2x plus 2 divided by x square, 5x minus 3x is plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication you do it. If you do it cross multiplication, so 1 into this is same, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. So x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 2s are 6x plus into plus 3 2s are 6. Then take all the terms one side. X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square 2x minus 6x is minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. This is equal to 0. So the given question I have reduced to a standard form of quadratic equation, children. Now I can use formula and I can find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Children, write down this much. I am going to continue this. Okay? Write down. Your attention, I am going to log this, then I am going to continue. By using formula method only, I am going to solve. Okay? Here I am going to continue that. So A value 1, compare with standard form of quadratic equation. B value is minus 4. C value is minus 21. Is equal to 0. Okay? So then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Substitute in this formula the values. X is equal to minus half minus 4, b value is minus 4, b value is minus 4 whole square minus 4ac, 4ac, okay, divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus it minus plus 4, that is plus 4 plus or minus 4 whole square is 16, minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 divided by 2 ones are 2. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus, so 6 plus 4 is 10, 9, 10, 100 divided by 2. So we know the square root of 100 is 10 plus or minus 10 divided by 2. Therefore the roots are, quadratic equation roots are x is equal to 4 plus 10 divided by 2 or x is equal to 4 minus 10 divided by 2. So x is equal to 14 divided by 2 or x is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. Therefore the roots are 2 ones are 2 sevens are x value is 7 or x value is minus 3. Okay. The value of x are 7 are minus 3. Roots of this quadratic equation they told for us to find out. But here what they asked for us, find its percentage. I have taken let this percentage be x. But I have to consider positive value age. Therefore his present age is 7 years. Okay children, right on children, daily practice maths, then you will become perfect. Okay children, and you have to observe daily video and daily you have to practice maths, then only you will become perfect. Thank you.